Hey everyone, so here I have the Black & Decker 20 volt cordless kit with the sweeper they call it, 2 batteries and the charger. You get your instruction manual and all that. I recently did a video on a lawnmower because I decided to not pay for a lawn service anymore, so I got a lawnmower, but I needed a trimmer. And this trimmer actually with 1 battery I saw for about 90 bucks, but you can get the second battery and the sweeper they call it in the kit for just 110 bucks. So just 20 bucks more, you get an extra battery and the sweeper. Now they do have one combo kit with an actual blower they call it, which is still the 20 volt. I think it's 129 for the kit. I'll link both of them down in the description below so you can check out both kits. And that one is has a blower that goes like 90 mile per hour wind, it says. A little stronger, but you pay a little more. I really just needed the trimmer, so I figured, hey, for 20 more bucks I get another battery, and the blower is just a bonus. I only have to blow off the sidewalks and a little bit of my back deck, so this sweeper works great. And we're going to go ahead and give you guys a little test of both of them. I didn't know if this would be enough. They have a 40 watt model, and honestly this thing does great. I can show you really quickly over here. I just kind of used it to whack down all this weeds. They were tall weeds, like higher than this plant everywhere, and it just went right through them. But we'll go ahead and show you guys both of these working in action. This can also be used as an edger. I have it flipped out for an edger right now, or just a trimmer. When you edge with it, you can put this down and line it up with the edge of the edge of the sidewalk or whatever. And you would go across the edge of your sidewalk kind of like that, if there was grass there obviously. But really amazing. I didn't want to spend a lot, and for 110 bucks got everything I needed. The batteries have lasted me a long time. I've edged my whole lawn and you know, went around all the sides, you know, where I have to go around like over here type stuff, and it's done everything without running out of battery. I can use the weed whacker and then use the sweeper blower, and I only go through 1 battery, so the battery life's pretty good. And I have a second, so for a standard single family house lawn you should be good without running out of battery. But let's go ahead and give these a test. Alright, I've gone and thrown some extra grass up from when I cut my yard. Pretty good amount on the deck. Let's just see how this does. And as you can see, it works. But you gotta be pretty close to what you want to push. And there we go, we cleared my deck in just a few seconds. So I mean, it does work. It's not super powerful, but hey, for 10 bucks for that and 10 bucks for the extra battery, it's worth getting that. And it definitely does serve its purpose. The stronger one I'll link below too, like I said. So this kit's really awesome, really pleased with it. I did read some reviews that people had the 40 watt and the 20 watt, and some people preferred the 20 watt. I'm not sure why, maybe because it's lighter and it still works good. But overall, this 20 watt is all I need. And I just wanted to share that with you guys because for 110 bucks, you have everything you need other than a lawnmower to do your lawn. Pretty cool kit. Have any questions, let me know. We'll see y'all later.